In this Learn It Quick video, we're going to talk about watch lists. A watch list UDO can be utilized to display changes based on quantity. So in our last video, we looked at an advanced query, and it was sort of an introduction into what UDOs are and what they do. So an advanced query is something that we would characterize as a standalone or a simple user-defined object, meaning that it can function by itself and it doesn't require anything outside of itself, or doesn't require another UDO. Require an input from the advanced query, making it dependent on the query itself. So the main things you need to know about a watch list is that a watch list takes the output of a query and employs thresholds to create warnings. So when you create a watch list, you click on the icon, it opens the watch list manager, and if you had a query selected before opening this window, you will see it selected here. It will also show you the conditions for the advanced query down below. Then you go ahead to set your thresholds. There are two levels of thresholds, a warning and a critical warning. When these are defined, your watch list will show up in the watch list dropdown in either bolded black for a warning or red for a critical warning. So you set the appropriate levels, and these can be either ascending or descending. Ascending means that as you surpass a threshold from below, it will kick off a warning. Or descending, this can be utilized for if you have something like a work order completion, and if you have maybe only 10 completions in a day, you get a warning. But if you get 5, you would get a critical warning. So you would set these thresholds in descending order. Another aspect of watch lists is the refresh interval. This should not be too frequent, as it can cause performance issues if the watch list is refreshing every minute or every 5 minutes. That's why in general it's recommended that watch lists be created by a business analyst or other qualified personnel. So after we have our watch list set up, we save it with a name and it is ready. And we go up here to the main menu bar and we see that our watch list is under the personal section, and it will show that it is running along with all the other watch lists that are set up across all of the other applications. And we can see the color coding for all of our thresholds that are showing here. In the next Learn It Quick video, we will look closer at watch lists and advanced queries and see how these are utilized on pages in various ways. So that's it for this Learn It Quick video on watch lists.